Hello, today I will show you how to design a logo step by step. A logo is one of the most important visual elements that reflects the identify a brand. A properly designed logo makes your brand memorable and leaves a professional impression. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First, define your brand. Think about the values your logo should represent, your target audience, and your industry. At this stage, you can visit platforms like Pinterest or Dribbble for impression. In the second step, decide which tool you will work with. If you have no experience in design, you can use user-friendly drag and drop online tools like Canva. If you are aiming a more professional design, vector design programs like Adobe Illustrator give you more control. Step 3. Determine the logo type. Logos are generally classified into three main categories: just text, just symbol, or a combination mark. In the first step, you need to choose colors and determine the font. Consider the psychological effects of your colors. Also, make sure that the black and white version of your logo is clear, as it may not always be possible to use color in different media. In the fifth step, test your design in several different sizes. Your logo should have the same effect on both social media profile and a larger banner. Finally, export your logo in different file types such as PNG, SVG, and PDF. PNG files are ideal for the web, while SVG is vector, so it can be scaled without losing quality. Once you have completed all these steps, you will have a professional and memorable logo that will represent your brand. When designed correctly, a logo becomes one of the most powerful that will set you apart from your competitors.